Hello, students, and welcome to the third part of the story The God of River. Now, before proceeding with the lesson, let us have a quick look. As you know, Ramesh was an 11 years old boy. Every day he used to collect garbage from his home and throw it into the river. This made the river very dirty, and the god of river was very sad. He appeared before Ramesh and told him that he was sad because the people were throwing garbage and polluting the river. गॉड ऑफ रिवर बहुत ही नाराज़ थे, बहुत ही दुखी थे, क्योंकि सारे लोग रिवर में सारा कचरा फेंक कर रिवर को गंदा करते थे. After listening to this, Ramesh was surprised and he took away all the garbage back to home. रमेश सारा कचरा जो है वो घर ले गया. And the next day he went to school and told everything to his teacher. The teacher gave him some more information about water pollution. तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टीचर ने रमेश को पोल्यूशन के बारे में क्या समझाया. Let us read the lesson. The teacher said, "We throw domestic and industrial waste, flowers, and so many other things into the river. These things pollute our rivers and make them dirty." Now there are two words, domestic and industrial. आप सोचेंगे ये क्या है? Domestic means something we get from our home, from our household, and industrial means something we get from the factories, from the mills, etc. तो डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट मतलब घर का कचरा, इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट मतलब फैक्ट्री और मिल्स से निकलने वाला सारा वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. तो फैक्ट्री से घर से निकलने वाले सारा जितना भी कचरा है, that makes the river very very dirty and polluted. So let us see what does the teacher tells us about this. So once again, the teacher said, "We throw domestic and industrial waste, flowers, and so many other things into the river. These things pollute our rivers and make them dirty." "Where should I throw the garbage then?" asked Ramesh. The teacher replied, "Dig a pit outside your house and put all the garbage into that pit." Pit means a large hole. गड्ढा, बहुत बड़ा गड्ढा को pit बोलते हैं. When the pit is full, cover it with leaves, leave it for few days. Then the garbage will turn into manure. मैन्योर हिंदी में हम खाद बोलते हैं. मैन्योर मीन्स एनिमल एंड प्लांट वेस्ट विच इज यूज्ड फॉर द प्लांट्स टू ग्रो बेटर. योर फादर कैन यूज द मैन्योर इन हिज फील्ड्स. रमेश वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एट द आइडिया. रमेश ने सोचा ये तो कमाल हो गया कि घर के कचरे से इतना सारा मैन्योर बनेगा और उस मैन्योर को वो गार्डन में यूज़ कर सकता है पेड़ पौधों के लिए. So his father dug a pit the same day and they started throwing the garbage into the river, into the pit instead of throwing it into the river. और उस दिन से उस गार्बेज पिट में सभी ने गार्बेज को डाला, कचरे को डाला, and after few days the garbage became manure and that manure was used in the fields to grow better plants. This is how the story ends. Now meaning. Domestic, DOMESTIC. Domestic means household, something from home. Something we get from home is called household. Industrial, INDUSTRIAL, industrial. Industrial means something we get from industry or a factory. Then the next word is pit, PIT, pit. Pit means a hole, 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 hole मतलब गड्ढा. Next thing is manure, MANURE, manure. Manure means plant and animal wastes used to make plants grow better.